Hi, my name is Danny, an engineer from Hong Kong, and this is my hat named Yahoo Profile Mobile, or you can simply call it M Profile. In M Profile, it consists of three modules. The first module just shows your basic information. The second module shows your friends. The third module shows your updates on and off Yahoo network. And you can, in first module, you can see your status message there. You can go to profiles.yahoo.com to update your status. Let's say hello in this example. Go back to the mobile page, do a refresh, and you can see your latest status change there. And also these changes will also reflect in the update module. And here's my friend list. And let's click on one of my friends named Chris to go to Chris M Profile page. Here we go. This is Chris basic information. This Chris friends. This is Chris activities. In summary, I developed this this hat based on the Blueprint platform, which developed once on any device like Nokia and iPhone. Besides, I made use of the social platform API to get information about users, their activities, and their contents from Yahoo network. And finally, let's start connecting people anywhere in the world, share and get updates from your friends with this M Profile hack.